Welcome to Wellness by Mommy. I hope you are safe and sound. In today's video, let's talk about urinary tract infection prevention tips in kids. Personal hygiene practices is key. Many of these infections can be avoided by teaching your child about hygiene and other healthy habits. Urinary tract infections are common in children, especially females. Among the considerations, children should be taught to never hold it. Children should go 4 to 7 times during the day. Young children will often squat and grab their genitals when they need to go. This may force the bacteria deeper into the urinary tract and cause infection. Practice good toileting habits. This includes teaching kids to take their time when going to the bathroom and to completely empty their bladders without straining. Change undergarments. Clean underwear should be worn every day, or after an accident or excessive sweating. Keep well hydrated. Children ages 5 to 8 should drink 5 glasses of water per day. Children ages 9 to 12 should increase to 7 glasses per day. From the age of 13 onward, intake should be no less than 8 to 10 glasses daily. Avoid harsh or scented soaps. Instead, go for milder soaps. Scented products of any sort can irritate vaginal tissues. I hope you find this helpful. Please subscribe for more interesting, evidence-based, educative and informative videos. Like and share this video. Turn on your notification icon so you can be notified when next I drop a new video. I desire for you good health and long life. See you in my next video. Till then, stay safe and remain healthy. Peace.